आमी डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक गेला म्हणून तुम्ही सांगलेले की लोकांचे डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक गेला म्हणून तर आज ते रोड जे आसा सांताक्रुसाचेच न्ही पूर्ण एरियन पळया तुम्ही रोड काबार जाल्ले आसात सालिगांव एरियन पळया तुम्ही पूर्ण रोड काबार जाल्ले आसात म्हणजे ह्या हेतून कळून येता की लोकांक पूर्ण जनतेक ज्या लोकांनी 10 महिने पयलीं सांगून गेल्ले की बाबा आपूण लोकांच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून वयता ते आपले पेट्रोल पंपाच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून गेल्ले ते आपले पर्सनल डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून गेल्ले आणि जंय जंय आपलो फायदो आसा पळय हे डेव्हलपमेंटाक करपाक लागून गेल्ले सो जनतेन हे अंडरस्टँड करून घेवपाचे आसात आणि आज ॲक्च्युली पळोवपाक गेल्यार जनता अंडरस्टँड केल्ली आसात हे फक्त पावरान कशें रावपाक जाय हे पळयता आज कितलेशे मुद्दम पळया तुमी हे व्हडले व्हडले स्टॅटिस्टिक्स सांगता आत्मनिर्भराचे बद्दल उलयतात आज मुद्दम स्टॅटिस्टिक्स काढून पळया मॅक्झिमम ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया फॅटल एक्सिडेंट जे जाल्ले आसा ते गोंयांत जाल्ले आसात आणि आज पर्यंत इतले ल्हान गोंय हरशीं जॉग्राफिकल एरिया सुद्दां इतली 3000 स्क्वेअर किलोमिटर्स आसा हरशीं पूण ह्या एरियेन तर पळोवपाक गेल्यार जाल्यार हायेस्ट नंबर ऑफ फॅटल एक्सिडेंट जाल्ले आनी सरकार हाजेर कांयच करूंक शकलें ना आनी ते कित्याक लागून जाल्ले आसात एक मेजर मेन इम्पॉर्टंट बिकॉज ऑफ द बॅड रोड्स
पडल्या हे जाय पावसान थंयसर इतले आमचे हालत जाता गेली 4 वर्सां आमी हे पळयता आमी एक्सपिरियन्स करता आमच्या कडेन आतां BJPचो आसा MLA आसा ऑपोजिशन नो BJPचो रुलींग आसा MLA तरी आसून थंय आमचे पळय कामां पळय जायना हे कारण आमकां सांगलें की BJP आपूण वयता कामां करपाक आजून थंय आमची कामां जावंक ना.
Government, you get us a road repair. It is not only that small stretch that is around 100 meters that we want the entire road repaired and reconstructed along with the drains. There is a big drain that has gone off and due to which the tires of the cars are going into the drain right in front of the Maga's house. Our MLA knows it, our punch member knows it, everybody knows it, but nobody has done it. So if these things, along with people who have encroached on the road, they have built their boundaries on the land acquired by the PWD. If all this is not done by the PWD, in 21 days, that's a 21-day ultimatum, we will sit on hunger strike right outside the PWD minister's house.
जे सांताक्रूजचे सगळे पब्लिक रिगार्डिंग दॅट माडी रोड आयिल्ले तो रस्तो एक्चुअली वी हॅव ऑलरेडी टेंडर्ड and it is gone for expenditure sanction and it is with the finance department. Nothing, I have assured them that I'll follow up the file and as soon as the expenditure sanction comes to me, I'll issue the work order and I will do the work. And they were quite okay with it and they said, and in fact we are going there on site at 12:30, we'll meet them there and we'll sort out all the things, so nothing to worry.
So any ultimate time they have given for you?
They have given me, actually I'm giving you 20 or how many days she said? 20 days. I said within 10 days I will act. I cut short the 20 days. I said it was nice that they came over and got over the issue. I will follow it up personally. That's what I assured.
Madam, they were talking about the encroachment on the road. What exactly?
No, there is some encroachment. It seems I will go today and I will see exactly what it is. असं तो म्हणटा I have not inspected it, so आज वयता आणि I will inspect and I'll take an action whatever.
And regarding actually like gutters
ते gutters करूकूच जाय.
त्याच्या वयर तेणी भरून घरांय काडलेली आसा
खंय ते रस्त्यार
तुमचे किती ऍक्शन
No, आता वचून पळयता and I will properly give a thorough inspection and then I will take a call on it. रस्तो जेन्ना करतात पळय we have to take into consideration all this. गटर्स येवंक जाय रस्त्यार विदाउट गटर रस्तो केल्यार रस्तो केन्नाच उरना. सो रस्तो करता तेन्ना दोनी जण उदक साठपाक दिवपाक जायना. सो दॅट इज हाव वी शूड गो. सो आय विल लुक इनटू एंड आय विल डू इट.
Now we met the E and she has assured us that she will do all the sanctions in 10 days time and she will start the work. Right now at 12:30 she said she's going to meet us on the road. She's going to come along with us to see what and check what are the grievances we have on that road and she's telling us that 10 days she will sanction it and she will start the work. However, if they fail, we're still giving them the 21 days time to start the work. If it is started, it has to get completed, of course. But if they do not start it before that, my word still remains 21 days. 22nd day, we will sit for a hunger strike outside the PWD minister's house.